Are you looking for an all-in-one trainer home gym? In this video, I will show you the 5 best all-in-one trainer home gym based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 4th product on the list is the Bodycraft Galena Pro Home Gym. The Bodycraft Galena Pro is built to fit into any corner of a room, requiring much less space than traditional designs. Featuring a chest press, dual-function pec deck, leg extension, leg curl, lat pull, low pulley station and abdominal crunch, every major muscle group can be strengthened in a minimum amount of time. No other gym is more complete and offers more quality and value than the Bodycraft Galena. Shown with optional weight stack shrouds. The Bodycraft Galena is built to fit into any corner of a room, requiring much less space than traditional home gym designs. With a chest press, dual-function pec deck, leg extension, leg curl, lat pull, low pulley station, abdominal crunch, every major muscle group can be strengthened in a minimum amount of time. The 3rd product on the list is the BodySolid EXM4000S. The BodySolid multi-station gym is a workhorse for the most intensive workouts. With 28 body focus workouts, the EXM4000S is truly a total body beast. Providing health club quality training with 3 stations that can be used at once with optional VKR30 vertical knee raise attachment. Complete your workout with a lower body polish on the leg developer for leg presses. Tuned for a 2:1 weight ratio, converting the 210 pounds weight stack to 420 pounds. Dual overhead cams with 6 increment settings per arm provide variable starting positions. It's a 2-function station that ensures maximum development of pectoral and rear deltoid muscles. Perfect for low rows, bent over rows, hip abduction, kickbacks, shrugs, arm curls, upright rows, etc. Specially contoured, oversized back pad, arm pads and hand grips add comfort to the grueling abdominal, shoulder and triceps workouts you can get from the combination vertical knee raise/dip station. Not recommended for the faint-hearted, this is one option that builds champions. For use with EXM4000S Home Gym only. The 2nd product on the list is the BodySolid EXM4000S Selectorized Home Gym. The BodySolid EXM4000S offers an enormous range of upper and lower body exercises. Up to 4 people can work out with the optional leg press/calf press station. The stations are fed by 3 210-pound weight stacks, and a 4th weight stack comes with the leg press station. Features include a bench press with kick assist lever for pre-stretch and range of motion, seat pads with hydraulic adjustments, pop-in adjustments from the seated positions, and DuraFirm pads with lumbar support. Up to 4 people can work out simultaneously on the EXM4000S with the addition of the optional leg press/calf press attachment. The double beam design eliminates ankle stress and provides consistent resistance throughout full range of motion. The pivoting press plate rotates both forward and downward to target thighs, hamstrings, and glutes. The extra large, extra wide, non-slip rubber-covered press plate will handle the big guys. The attachment has a 2:1 ratio and is built for safety, comfort, and exercise variation. Side stability handles lock you in place. The 1st product on the list is the Force USA G20 All-in-One Trainer. The steel power rack component includes commercial-grade J-hooks and safeties which can be adjusted using west-side hole spacing to any height position you need. Features west-side spacing with 50 different numbered adjustment points to perfectly position any size user for bench press, squats and more. The functional trainer component allows you to perform over 75 different exercises. Features adjustable height positions and a variety of accessories to perform shoulder, arms, chest, back, core, and leg exercises. The Smith machine component is angled for natural body movement to provide a strong and safe workout. Re-rack your Smith bar with ease into any height position you need. The Smith machine only uses Olympic-sized plates. Ergonomic multi-grip chin-up/pull-up station with comfortable knurling. Perform wide grip, close grip and ergonomic pull-up variations. The G3 comes with band pegs position for resistance or assistance. Training with bands can boost your 1RM and take you powerlifting to the next level. The Force USA G3 includes built-in storage for your barbells, weight plates, and cable attachments, so you can keep your training space tidy and safe. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.